Text sorting tool, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a text-based AI tool used for text sorting and classification. It can process and analyze vast amounts of text that allows efficient and accurate sorting. A user would first input data and text into the platform. The AI would analyze and process the information and use natural language processing to organize the text. The user can choose to use the out for tasks such as report generation. ChatGPT's capabilities range from text summarization, text correction, to text extraction. Here is a demo of how to use ChatGPT. We will use it to summarize a long article. ChatGPT can do it in seconds. ChatGPT can make text corrections, from adjusting grammar, spelling to changing the tone of the text. ChatGPT can also do text classification. With ChatGPT, professionals can benefit from being more efficient and accurate. They can improve customer understanding and make data entry more efficient. ChatGPT is suitable for a wide range of professionals.